Hi guys, today we're going to do an unboxing of the ZenPop Japan stationery box. It's full of Japanese stationery items, paper, pens, stuff like that. And if you know anything about Japanese goods, you'll know that they're the cutest out. So let's have a look. Just a little piece of paper. Here we've got the write-up of everything that's in the pack. Let's jump in. First up, we have a no staple stapler. You can staple papers without any staples. It works well for 5 pieces of paper or less. Cool. Here we have the Winter one-stroke paper. It's meant to write a quick note to yourself or someone else. So just a little notepad. Next up we have the Winter washi tape. Awesome for crafting at this time of the year. Next we have the beetle tip highlighter. It's a highlighter that has a tip that looks like a beetle horn and you can use it 3 ways. Interesting. Here we have the NOV ballpoint pen, Lame. It's not lame, it's Lame. It's a unique shape and has a handy little clip and it has sparkles in the ink. This one is the winter letter set. In East Asia there's a traditional way to think of seasons, which we divide one year into 24 seasons. Spring, autumn, summer and winter are all divided into 6 micro seasons. Well, there you go. So it's got paper, envelopes. Cute. Next up we have a special envelope used to give a toshidama. A toshidama is a custom where money is given to parents and relatives of a child on New Year's Day. So cute little envelopes. Perfect for putting gift cards in for Christmas actually. Might use these. Here we have our Shibani flake stickers. Shibani's washi New Year's stickers. Let's say goodbye to the year of the dog. All the designs are stickers of something that would bring you good luck. They look like they're made of paper, but they're a sticker. Second to last item we have is the Doggy 1-point markers. 2018 was the year of the dog, but dogs are cute no matter what year it is, so use these adorable little sticky notes when you need an extra smile. Look like they're little mini post-its. See, each one's a little, and you could use it as a bookmark or to mark something. Calendar. And last but not least, we have our 2019 desk calendar. In Japan, it is said that the animal of the year will bring luck to your family if you have the zodiac animal with you. 2019 is the year of the boar, so this desk calendar will bring you good luck. Just opens out into a little triangle and pop it on your desk. Well, that's it for the ZenPop stationery box. This was the November box. Subscribe to this box if you want to have a look at what's in next month's. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe and like. Bye.